Did you know that consuming pumpkin can trigger incredible reactions in our body? We all consume pumpkin in many different ways, but how can we consume pumpkin in a healthy way? What should we pay attention to when consuming pumpkin? In today's video, we will start with basic information about pumpkin. Then, we will examine the benefits of pumpkin for our body, especially those important for women and men. Finally, we will discuss the points to consider when consuming pumpkin. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. History and overview. Pumpkin is a vegetable that has been used for both food and decorative purposes for thousands of years. The origin of pumpkin dates back to between 7000 and 5500 BC in the Oaxaca Valley of Mexico. Pumpkin is a low-calorie and nutrient-dense vegetable. It contains many essential nutrients, such as vitamins A, C, and E, potassium, iron, and magnesium. It is rich in fiber, which supports digestion and provides a feeling of fullness. Its versatility in recipes allows pumpkin to be used in both sweet and savory dishes. Pumpkin is a plant that grows in warm climates and is usually harvested in the fall. The United States, China, India, and Mexico are among the world's largest pumpkin producers. Pumpkin is generally an affordable and readily available vegetable. Fresh pumpkins are plentiful in markets and farmers' markets during harvest periods. Additionally, canned pumpkin is an accessible alternative throughout the year. Benefits of pumpkin for our bodies. 1. Improving vision. Pumpkin is extremely beneficial for eye and vision health. The various vitamins and minerals it contains support eye health and protect vision. Pumpkin is rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A preserves the retina's ability to perceive light and reduces the risk of night blindness. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to dry eyes, corneal ulcers, and vision problems. Consuming pumpkin helps prevent these deficiencies. Pumpkin contains carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds accumulate in the retina and protect the eyes from harmful blue light, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Additionally, lutein and zeaxanthin may help prevent cataracts. Pumpkin contains vitamin C, which helps keep the eyes healthy and protects them from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. Pumpkin also contains zinc, which helps transport vitamin A to the retina and supports night vision. 2. Antioxidant effect. Pumpkin is one of the foods with strong antioxidant properties. Free radicals are atoms or molecules with one or more unpaired electrons that are formed as a result of normal metabolic processes or external factors in the body. Due to their unpaired electrons, free radicals are highly reactive and can easily interact with other molecules, oxidizing them and damaging cells. This condition is known as oxidative stress and can play a role in the development of various diseases. The antioxidants in pumpkin are compounds that help prevent cell damage by fighting free radicals in the body. Thanks to this feature, pumpkin indirectly supports cardiovascular health, brain health, and the digestive system. Did you know that one of the most effective foods in fighting free radicals is onions? After this video, you can learn more about our general health by watching our onion video, which appears in the upper right corner. 3. Cancer prevention. Pumpkin is rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that converts to vitamin A in the body. Antioxidants can reduce the risk of cancer by preventing cell damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress in cells, leading to DNA damage and the development of cancer. The beta-carotene in pumpkin neutralizes these harmful molecules. Additionally, the beta-carotene antioxidant can protect the stomach lining from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of stomach cancer. Pumpkin contains antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which can protect cells in the breast tissue from damage caused by free radicals. Pumpkin contains compounds like phytoestrogens, which can balance the effects of the estrogen hormone and reduce the risk of breast cancer. Pumpkin is a fiber-rich vegetable. High-fiber foods support bowel health and reduce the risk of colon cancer. Fiber ensures the regular functioning of the digestive system and prevents the accumulation of harmful substances in the intestines. 4. Assisting in weight loss. Pumpkin is a low-calorie vegetable. 100 grams of pumpkin contains only about 26 calories, making it an ideal food for those looking to limit calorie intake. Pumpkin is a fiber-rich vegetable. Fiber increases the feeling of fullness, reducing the tendency to overeat and supporting the regular functioning of the digestive system. Consuming high-fiber foods is important in the weight loss process because they keep you full for longer. Pumpkin has a low glycemic index, which means it raises blood sugar slowly and steadily. Foods with a low glycemic index can help control weight by reducing sudden hunger pangs and the desire to overeat. Due to its natural sweetness, pumpkin can help satisfy sweet cravings healthily. Desserts made with pumpkin instead of refined sugar allow for lower calorie intake and support the weight loss process. 5. Brain health. Pumpkin seed oil is rich in omega-3 and omega-6 polyunsaturated fatty acids. These fatty acids are vital for brain health and function. Omega-3 fatty acids support the structure and function of nerve cells while increasing the flexibility of brain cell membranes, enhancing synaptic plasticity. This is crucial for cognitive functions like learning and memory. Additionally, omega-3s play a role in the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. These chemicals regulate brain communication and improve cognitive functions. Omega-6 fatty acids are necessary for brain development and function. They are part of the structure of brain cell membranes and ensure the proper functioning of nerve cells. The beta-carotene in pumpkin converts to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A supports the health of brain cells and provides protection against neurodegenerative diseases. It also supports eye health by improving the quality of signals sent to the brain. Pumpkin also contains folic acid. Folic acid plays a role in DNA synthesis and repair and supports brain health by reducing homocysteine levels. High homocysteine levels are associated with cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Pumpkin contains powerful antioxidants like beta-carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Antioxidants protect brain cells by reducing oxidative stress caused by free radicals. This can reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. 6. Cardiovascular health. Pumpkin contains many nutrients that support cardiovascular health. Pumpkin is a good source of potassium. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension. Adequate potassium intake balances the adverse effects of sodium and protects heart health. Pumpkin is known for its high fiber content. Dietary fiber can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL levels. Fiber slows digestion, contributing to the regulation of blood sugar levels and the reduction of insulin resistance, which can lower the risk of heart disease. Pumpkin contains powerful antioxidants like beta-carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Antioxidants can reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. Vitamin C supports collagen production and helps keep blood vessel walls healthy. Additionally, vitamin C provides protection against heart disease with its antioxidant effect. Pumpkin is a healthy food with low calorie and fat content. It helps with weight control, and being overweight or obese increases the risk of heart disease. A low-calorie diet plays an important role in protecting heart health. Pumpkin contains folic acid. Folic acid can reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering homocysteine levels. High homocysteine levels are a risk factor for heart disease. Pumpkin can help regulate blood sugar levels. Keeping blood sugar levels under control can reduce the risk of diabetes and heart disease. 7. Strengthening the immune system. Pumpkin contains a high amount of beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is necessary for the proper functioning of the immune system. It helps maintain the integrity of the skin and mucosal barriers, preventing pathogens from entering the body and providing protection against infections. Pumpkin is also a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts the production and function of immune cells, especially white blood cells. Additionally, vitamin C supports the overall health of the immune system by reducing oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Pumpkin contains vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E helps immune cells stay healthy and become more effective against infections. Antioxidants are free radical scavengers that strengthen the immune system. Pumpkin also contains iron. Iron is essential for the function of immune system cells, especially T cells. Iron deficiency can lead to weakened immune functions. Furthermore, pumpkin contains zinc. Zinc is important for the normal function of the immune system and supports the production and activity of immune cells. Special benefits for women and men. Women's health. pumpkin is rich in magnesium and zinc. Magnesium can help alleviate symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, while zinc maintains hormonal balance and contributes to the regulation of the menstrual cycle. Additionally, the B6 vitamin found in pumpkin helps regulate hormones and improve mood. Vitamin B6 can increase serotonin production, reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. Pumpkin contains folate, which is critical for the healthy development of the fetus during pregnancy. Folate helps prevent birth defects such as neural tube defects. Pumpkin is also rich in iron, which helps meet the increased iron needs during pregnancy and breastfeeding, reducing the risk of anemia. Beta-carotene and vitamin C, which support skin health, are abundant in pumpkin. Beta-carotene increases skin elasticity and protects skin cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C supports collagen production, helping the skin stay youthful and healthy. Pumpkin seed oil is rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which can alleviate menopause symptoms, such as hot flashes and night sweats. Lastly, pumpkin contains biotin, a vitamin that supports strong and healthy nails. Biotin deficiency can lead to brittle and cracked nails. Regular consumption of pumpkin can meet biotin needs and improve nail health. Men's health. Pumpkin seed oil is notable for its high zinc content, which significantly contributes to prostate health. Zinc supports the proper functioning of the prostate gland and may help prevent conditions such as benign prostatic hyperplasia. Additionally, pumpkin seed oil can improve bladder health and help prevent urinary tract infections. When consumed regularly, it supports bladder function by regulating urine flow. Pumpkin seed oil contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which can improve sperm quality. These fatty acids can enhance sperm motility and count, supporting male fertility. It also contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammation in the prostate and overall body inflammation. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, pumpkin seed oil can alleviate discomforts related to the prostate and bladder, particularly reducing difficulty and pain in urination caused by benign prostatic hyperplasia. Tips for consuming pumpkin. Make sure to choose fresh and ripe pumpkins. Prefer those that are firm, heavy, and solid. Avoid pumpkins that are rotten, soft, or spotted. Prepare pumpkin using healthy cooking methods such as steaming, baking, or boiling. Methods like frying can reduce nutritional value and lead to the consumption of unhealthy fats. Avoid overcooking pumpkin, as excessive cooking can reduce its nutritional value. Pumpkin is often used in desserts, but avoid using excessive amounts of sugar and sweeteners. You can make healthier desserts by sweetening pumpkin with natural sweeteners or minimal sugar. Pumpkin seeds are also nutritious and healthy. Roasted pumpkin seeds can be consumed as a healthy snack. Try to avoid salty roasting and consume them in their natural state. While pumpkin is nutritious and low in calories, pay attention to portion control. Consume pumpkin in reasonable amounts as part of a balanced diet. If you are using canned or processed pumpkin products, check the ingredient labels. If you've watched this far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. For more similar content, check out our channel. Have a great day.